Hey guys, I just wanted to demo how I integrated Superfluid into Nifty Chess. Nifty Chess is our ETH Denver Hackathon submission 2021, which allows you to generate GIFs of your chess games. For instance, if you go and play on Chess, you can just copy the URL from a game that you played, throw it into Nifty Chess, and get one of these awesome NFTs. And there's a lot of Grandmaster games in here. There's also like the games from the chess tournament at ETH Denver. And let's say I am seeing like a game that I like, Kevin Owocki versus Eric Rosen. This was February 8th, so this just happened a couple of days ago. I can mint it on the XDAI chain, or I can, if I don't want to mint it, but I just like what's going on with Nifty Chess, then I added this donate with Superfluid button at the bottom here. And on in my account right now, I have 1,000 super token DAI. And so if I want to donate, I just click that, and it sets up the transaction to start sending a flow to the Nifty Chess wallet that we're holding on to. And so the donations right now are on Goerli testnet for this, but once Superfluid is deployed to mainnet, we will we will add this for real. So I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and confirm this create flow transaction. And then once that is done, we should see the flow pop up in our dashboard over here momentarily. And there we go. So let's see, I have it set at 1,000 DAI per month. So I'll probably add the ability to adjust that amount, but for now, this kind of just proves out how it was added. This is in the Nifty Chess app repo, and I'll put the link to this in the description. So thanks, and happy hacking.